Cosmic collision, unveiling the mysteries of space. Hello, friends. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the cosmos as we uncover the meaning and significance of a cosmic collision. This phenomenon is not just a fascinating event in space but also a metaphorical expression used in various contexts. So buckle up as we explore the universe of cosmic collisions. A cosmic collision refers to the spectacular event when two or more celestial bodies, like stars, planets, or galaxies, crash into each other in space. These events are extraordinarily powerful and can lead to the creation of new celestial bodies, release immense energy, and even trigger the formation of stars. Despite the name, cosmic collisions are not just destructive. They're also a fundamental part of the cosmic cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. In the vast expanse of the universe, cosmic collisions are relatively common. They can range from the collision of asteroids, small bodies orbiting the Sun, to the merging of entire galaxies. For instance, our very own Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, expected to take place in about 4 billion years. While the term collision implies chaos, these events often occur over such long periods and vast distances that they're more like a graceful, slow-motion dance in the cosmos. Beyond astronomy, the term cosmic collision is also used metaphorically to describe an event where different ideas, cultures, or entities meet and interact, often leading to significant change or new creations. This metaphorical usage captures the essence of a cosmic collision in space, symbolizing the potential for creativity, transformation, and the birth of something new from the interaction of different forces. In our journey through the cosmos, we've seen that a cosmic collision is much more than just a catastrophic smash-up in space. It's a fundamental process that drives the evolution of the universe and a powerful metaphor for transformative interactions. Whether in the vastness of space or in the meeting of minds and cultures, cosmic collisions remind us of the endless possibilities that arise from the convergence of different forces. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure, and we hope you've enjoyed unraveling the mysteries of cosmic collisions.